Hi students, today we are going to see the Unit 6 9th Standard Supplementary Mother's Voice book back exercises. It is written by Vasil Berry Lonoi or Zonoi. You can read as you, because ZH we'll pronounce it for that in Tamil. So Vasil Berry Lonoi. Berry Lonoi, you can just pronounce. It's not the problem because they're not going to ask the name in any question paper. First one, A. Choose the correct answer. Mother was excited because 4 options are given there. C is the answer. It was her first visit to the moon. Second one, on weekdays as mother went about the chorus. D's answer, her singing was muted and a little sad. Third one, dash occupies more than 100 square kilometers on the moon. Selenopolis. Fourth one, A is the answer for it. Fourth one, the community of the nation square is where people dash. D is the answer, of different nationalities come after work. Fifth one, they are planning an expedition to a neighboring dash. A is the answer, galaxy. Sixth one, the mother was not able to understand why people wanted to leave the moon because A is the answer for it. It was better to remain as a part of solar system. Next one is B. Identify the characters or speakers of the following lines. First one, it's so easy to walk here, son. The speaker is mother. Second one, they are planning on expedition to a neighboring galaxy. The speaker is son. Third one, why should people go off into the unknown? Speaker is mother. Fourth one, I don't know why we will see each other again. The speaker is son. Fifth one, the operator on duty, report to office. Here the speaker is a voice from the loudspeaker. Next one, based on understanding of story, discuss in groups and makes the following notes. So setting, it happens on the moon, it's happened on the area of the moon. The son and the mother are in Selenopolis. Plot, the son asks his mother to come to the moon. It's going to be the last time as he sees her because he is going to leave for an unknown galaxy. Character, the son, an explorer, and his mother, another character, his mother, a visitor to the moon. Here, conclusion, his mother is sad. Is sad when she comes to know about her son's expedition. She wants her son to come home. But her son is interested on leaving for the unknown galaxy. Study well, students. Thank you.